Hello and welcome. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to get registered for the Student Life D2L course, which includes the online Emerging Leaders program. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my PIMA, which is mypima.pima.edu. And there's a couple of ways that we can access D2L from here. The way I usually do is I click this Access D2L link here under the quick links on the MyPima homepage. You can also go to Students, Academics, and you'll find it here on the list of quick links as well. So go ahead and access D2L. And since we're already logged into MyPima, we're already logged into D2L as well. You can also access D2L by typing in d2l.pima.edu, but you will need to log in if you aren't already logged in through MyPima. So what we're going to do now is we're going to self-register for the PCC Student Life course. So right here under the PIMA logo is the self-registration link. Go ahead and click on that, and what you'll see is a list of different courses that you can enroll in all on your own. So down here is the PCC Student Life course. I can't actually select it because I'm already enrolled, but let's say I'm going to pick a different one just to show you what the registration process looks like. So it's going to bring up the next page, which gives you again the name and what the course is. It might have a course description, and go ahead and click register. So I'm going to register for this one. And again, it's going to ask me for all my information. And then I'm going to make sure that everything's correct and hit finish. So I'm going to head back to the D2L homepage by just clicking the home button. And you can see here that I have a PCC Student Life course. I'm going to click on that now. And I'm really quickly going to change my view to what you see as a student because I'm also the instructor of the course, so mine would look a little bit different. We are going to make sure that we keep you up to date with different announcements. So right as you can see here, the first announcement is about our upcoming virtual club fair. So that's a great way to learn about how to get involved. If you're already a member of a club, you may be participating to let people know about how to join your organization. But what we're going to do now is we're going to click on content, and that's going to take us to the list of the different content within the PCC Student Life D2L course. So there's a welcome from our director. There's information on how to meet the different student life coordinators, peer mentor, the first year experience coordinator, how to make the most of your time at PCC, student organizations, a list of all of our different leadership programs. So we have several different leadership programs. But where you'll find the online Emerging Leaders course is right here. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And that's going to take us to the welcome for the online Emerging Leaders course. And this welcome is going to talk to you a little bit about how the program is set up, how you go about completing the course, and when you complete all the steps for the online Emerging Leaders, you will receive a completion certificate and an honor cord. And that honor cord can be worn at graduation. So you can see here there's several different components to the online Emerging Leaders. Since this is set up here on D2L, you can do it at your own pace. So if you want to try to spend, half a day and just get it all done at once, or if you want to do it like one module at a time, 20, 30 minutes at a time, whatever it is, that's totally up to you. But this is where to find the online Emerging Leaders. So it's part of the PCC Student Life course. And if you have any questions as you're um, working on this, you can send us an email at pcc-studentlife@pima.edu, or you can come here to the welcome and you will find the email for the different individual student life coordinators. So you may be connected with one of us already and feel more comfortable going to one of us to ask those questions. Again, if you have any questions, please send us an email at pcc-studentlife@pima.edu. Have a great day, everybody.